Do you want to get rich quick? Then buy a lottery ticket and hope for the best. If you want to get rich for sure, you have to provide either a product or service of value. I've spent the past 10 years of my life trying many different ways of making money online. And by far, the quickest and easiest way that I have found is by selling on eBay. And I've helped hundreds of people make thousands of dollars every single month. So if you want more money so you can buy more toys, buy a nice house, or quit that dreaded 9 till 5, then click the link down below and I'll show you how. Alright, Martin's going for a test run. Oh look, wide arch kit on the X-Max, Mini-Max. Nice. Oh my god. Tumble wumble. Alright, let's give the Kraton a blast. I just noticed some damage on the back here. The rear bulkhead is starting to die. You might as well finish it. You broke it.
Shot one in.
Oh no, he's killed it. You got parts?
Yeah.
A comment in the comments, who jumped higher? Is it going to be Martin? Or is it going to be the Kraton? Oh, is the Mini-Max going to go to the moon?
Yeah. Bulkhead. Oops. You know what that means? It's getting it. Oh! Oh! It exploded. Oh no! What happened? Game over. Oh no! Oh! Oh! How many pieces?
Yes, look!
Yeah.
What?
Another one.
Oh, another Kimberley!
Oh, another bit there. God.
Oh, what? Oh, look at that. That bulkhead has finally had it. This is actually the first time that I've properly broken it, look. It looks worse than what it is. It's actually just a bulkhead. Oh! You broke an RPM arm?
Yeah.
What? How?
That was a dirty landing.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh! Oh, Martin's making adjustments. He doesn't want to lose. Oh! Nice! Guys, I'm going to put a poll up here. You guys have got to put on the who won, me or Martin. Here we go, flat out. Yeah, I reckon Martin went further. Oh! Oh, tumble wumble. Oh, and he broke it again. Oh no, here comes Techno. Oh my god. To the moon. Nice. Oh, his shock's off again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Oh look, you see where it landed, look.
Yeah. Can't see it because of the mud.
Oh dear.
first, see how it takes it. It didn't go very high. To the moon! Oh, I missed! Oh, nailed it! That jumped over the sun. Oh, that didn't sound good. Game over, son. Oh.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh. Oh.
You too hot.
The whole motor thing's
Up, isn't it?
Keep going again. Oh yeah, seasoned away. Game over. Martin's doing a speed run with a Kraton A-Test. It's got 30-degree north shocks. GPS time. I reckon we got 60 in it. Is that flat out? No. I reckon 50 I'm going to go with actually. I'm going to change to 50.
53.
Oh, I reckon it will do 60.
See what happens right as well.
I knew you couldn't resist. Oh dear, here comes the Kraton 8S. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! Oh!
53.
Oh look! How did that happen? Take the body off. I just take the height.
118 altitude. So 124.
Yeah.
It went 173.
Oh, so what's that then? It probably was 50 foot. It looked 50 foot. Oh my god! What?
In this case, just a pain in the arse.
Oh, wipe out.
Pin holders.
Yeah. Oh, MTC makes some of them. Hey, still moves. Guys, this has got to be the longest we've ever done here. Because look, there's the hull, there's the hut, and usually, where are we landing normally? We're normally landing around about here somewhere, and that hole's like all the way over there. Oh my god.